Zelado.com. 5 delicious smoothies for your detox diet. By simply mixing fruits and vegetables, you can get some great drinks for your detox diet. They'll soothe your hunger and help you lose weight too. There are literally dozens of available recipes for smoothies for your detox diet. They combine antioxidant and purifying ingredients which the body uses to remove toxins and help you shed weight. Although they're certainly no miracle, they can definitely provide a lot of health benefits. In fact, they're recommended for losing weight after a binge and for controlling hunger in between meals. Are you trying to detox your body? Do you want refreshments without taking on a lot of calories? If so, don't hesitate to try out the recipes in this article. All of them mix healthy fruit and vegetables with digestive and slimming properties. 1. Smoothies for your detox diet, pineapple and ginger. Pineapple is one of the best ingredients for a detox smoothie. It has diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties, which help in the elimination of fluids and toxins retained in the body. Ingredients: 4 slices of pineapple, half glass of rice milk, 125 milliliters, half tablespoon of grated ginger, 2.5 grams. Preparation: cut the slices of pineapple into cubes and tip them into a blender. Then, add the rice milk and grated ginger and process for a few seconds. Make sure they're well mixed with no lumps. Consumption: drink this smoothie on an empty stomach before breakfast, or in the mid-afternoon. 2. Beetroot and lemon smoothie. The digestive properties of beetroot combined with the alkaline effect of the lemon juice make a perfect detox smoothie. Its properties help the elimination of waste and re-establish the blood's pH levels. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized beetroot, 2 peeled lemons, half teaspoon of grated ginger, 2.5 grams, 1 glass of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: chop up the beetroot and the lemons and put in a blender. Add the ginger and water and process at maximum speed. Consumption: strain the mixture and drink it on an empty stomach. 3. Fennel, cucumber, and celery smoothie. Green fruits and vegetables are the main ones to be found in detox smoothies. Since they contain more chlorophyll and antioxidant substances, they're perfect for detoxing the body and protecting it from free radicals. With this smoothie, we'll mix fennel, cucumber, and celery, 3 ingredients loaded with nutrients that help digestion and the metabolism. This smoothie will help control your hunger and relieve inflammation caused by fluid retention. Ingredients: half fennel plant, 1 cucumber, 2 sticks of celery, 1 glass of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: chop up the ingredients and mix them in a blender with the water. Process until you get a smooth mixture. Consumption: drink this smoothie on an empty stomach or when you feel hungry. If you're on a detox plan, drink it for 2 consecutive weeks. 4. Cranberry and berry smoothie. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds which help protect the body from toxins and urinary infections. By boosting these powerful effects with berry and lemon, you'll get a smoothie that's perfect for your detox diet. Ingredients: 1 glass of cranberry juice, 250 milliliters. The juice of 1 lemon. Half cup of berries, 100 grams. 1 glass of coconut water. Preparation: pour all the ingredients into a blender and process until they're well mixed. Consumption: spread this quantity over 2 or 3 drinks per day. Begin by drinking it on an empty stomach and drink the rest between meals. 5. Cabbage, apple, and lemon smoothie. This smoothie contains alkalizing and diuretic ingredients which are good for your health. As well as combating reflux and heartburn, they boost the elimination of fluids. They also help intestinal transit and your immune system. This makes it just another of the great smoothies for your detox diet. It's really low in calories and perfect for people who are trying to lose some weight. Ingredients: half cabbage, 2 apples, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 glass of water, 250 milliliters. Preparation: chop all the ingredients and put them in a blender with the lemon juice and water. Then, blend them for a few minutes, until all the ingredients are well mixed. Consumption: serve without straining and drink on an empty stomach, at least 3 times a week. Feel like trying out these recipes? As you can see, they're really easy and only include ingredients that are low in calories. If you're trying to detox or trying to improve your digestion, try out these great smoothies for your detox diet. If you like this video, please click on subscribe and get notified about our videos. Thank for watching.